Okay, we've got a potato stack. Just going to add this on top. And I've got some leftover duck straw. I don't actually have ducks, this is from my friend. My friends know good gifts to give. And I don't actually want to cover up the leaves all that much because then effectively the potato would be starving until it managed to get its leaves up and over. Okay, now all I'll have to worry about is whether or not it gets too hot in there, but it should be fine. And I did a hanging basket with zucchini. I was very lazy actually, I didn't have a liner, so I was like, oh, I'll see if I can recycle this plastic thing. And there's 3 plants in there, which is really crowded. But you see actually it's forming its first 2 fruit. Here we are. It's very young. That was a male flower that I just pulled off. You can tell by the look of it, it's got a whole bunch of pollen on the top and no ovary underneath. So you can try and pick those male flowers when they're very young and actually fry them up. Batter and fry, I guess. So my potatoes in pots have had mixed results. This is another one of my recycling things. That's actually like a milk carton, square carton with the old potting bags in there. This one's doing nice and strongly. Incidentally, I got most of these pots off the side of the road. This one was the tallest and it wasn't very thick, so what I decided to do was the idea of a sort of potato stack. I started out with a pot underneath there and then I put a bag over the top, and I've filled it up with manure and a bit of straw since then. So we're hoping. Not all the potatoes came up very well. This one I almost killed, I think, because I put the top, I filled up the pot a bit before I let it grow nice and strong. This one didn't come up at all, but I've actually just added a fresh potato in there now. I'm hoping that'll come up nicely. Just in general, I've realised over there actually is completely in shade in winter, so it's completely unsuitable for a garden. Moved all the pots over here. At some stage this is probably going to be where the nice garden bed is.